If you have linked your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page and want to remove it, simply follow this detailed guide to do so quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and go to your Facebook page by simply clicking on your profile icon pages. Now here, once you're inside the Facebook page, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on your profile at the top and navigate to your profile. Once in your profile, tap on the three dot option available right next to your dashboard option available. Once you tap on the three dot, you will be navigated to the page setting. From here, you can see add action button option available. Simply tap on the add action button. Now here you can see the options like WhatsApp, Messenger and everything linked. If you have your WhatsApp link, then you can simply see remove option available right next to the WhatsApp. Tap on the remove and remove it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.